Hello friends! Today I would like to talk about how to draw King Bob-omb from Super Mario. King Bob-omb is one of Mario's most famous enemies and has appeared in many games in the series. But drawing it is not as difficult as it might seem. First, take a piece of paper and a pencil. Start with the basic shape of the head. Then draw the body, add the arms and eyes. In addition, you can use various drawing materials such as markers, paints, or colored pencils. This will help add brightness and saturation to your drawing. If you are new to drawing, don't be discouraged if something doesn't work the first time. Drawing is a skill that can be developed, and the more you draw, the better you get. I hope these tips will help you create a great drawing of King Bob-omb in Super Mario. Don't be afraid to experiment and enjoy the drawing process.